on, chickens. Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal. Almost home, chickens. I love how it tastes. Chicken math. The only type of math where 6 equals 9 plus 1 rooster. I do have to write that formula down. Oh, chicken.
Houston, where's your fly mask?
He loses it.
It's in there.
Well, hello, Mr. Barlow. Guess what? More chickens. I know pretty soon that big drive, I got a tinkle. Here we go wandering in. New chickens going to their new home. We gotta give them their own room. So we gotta lock them in one. Actually, when I put this screen on the other day, I screwed those windows shut. There's a big rooster. Hey, Cody.
I'm the sister wife.
Yeah, there's little Fred. Little Fred's the white one. Okay, I gotta undo this.
Bye, ladies.
Out you go, ladies. We gotta kick the other ones out, so they're going out. And these ones are just gonna run freely. Oh, I'm having a hard time getting this undone with one hand. I'm a little extravagant that it's tied down so much. I just didn't want them getting loose. Because when we were up there at the chicken ranch, we caught a couple and then they got out on us. We didn't even see them leave. All right, so everything's shut.
Mm-hmm.
That's locked over there. We'll get a good look on it. The broody rooster or the broody hen over there shouldn't hurt him, I don't think. Or she'll think these are all her babies.
Probably not. They're too big.
Is there going to be an issue with that?
No, she's in there. They don't usually come out.
No, she spends a lot of time on. All right, you want to see your new home, chickens? Oh, this way, I guess. There you go. Look at that, going out already. Where's that fluffy Cochin rooster? This one's actually a rooster. You got to get a view of the fluffy little thing. All right, say hi, rooster. And look at little fluffy right down to the toes. And that's not hair sticking to it. That's its hair. So imagine when this rooster gets big. And he's what, a green egg layer?
No, brown.
A brown egg layer. Okay, cool. So we got brown egg layers. We ended up going for 6. We brought home 9 and that rooster. So are you chickens gonna hop out there? You gonna explore? Where'd the other one go? Look at the other one's already perched up there. You found your spot? And these are almost pullets? Is that what it is? Almost pullets?
They're about 8 weeks.
8 weeks, and it takes like 6 months for them to start laying eggs. But the Wit and True Blues are a very good egg layer. They lay a lot of egg, almost 1 a day. They will lay up to 300 a year. So 65 days would be like, what, 2 months out of the year you don't lay. This one is afraid. Oh, that's the loud one that I caught up there. Look at you got scratch. I'll give you some more scratch grain. I just put brand new food in there.
That's layer.
That's grower.
Oh, grower?
I didn't put the layer. The layers are right here. We'll get some fresh water for you chickens. We'll lay down some new scratch for you chickens. Remind me I need some more egg cartons to bring in. Here you go, chicken. Success. Once they figure her out, I don't know if she fed them scratch grain up there or
No,
not.
she only feeds complete pellets.
Complete pellets, yeah. Okay, well, there we have it. Our new chicken. This one right here, the gray one. What are we going to name that girl? She looks like an eagle. She's like a puffy cheek. Splash. Would that be a splash too? Because it's all different colors? I'm not quite sure.
Got some little bit of barring on her wing.
Her other side is like brownish. Got brown in, I see. In her belly. Good looking chickens, eh? You like your new home? It's a little bigger than your last roam around spot. Look at they're scratching away. They're scratched without scratch. Oh, this one's going to check them out. What are you guys doing? I gotta get that cord out of there too so I don't have to strangle them with something. Happy chickens. Aren't you?
You still peep?
They're peepers.
I know. You guys know there's other chickens in here, don't you?
And these other ones kind of hanging around. Yeah, they're hanging around over here. They're all huddled in a... It's almost like they want to go outside, but they don't. A Cochin, big fluffy thing. I like the Cochins better than that other fancy chicken with the tuft on its head. Well, there we have it. We'll check out, see if everybody gets along happily. Hopefully you all have a good laugh here. It'll be months before you lay eggs, but we've got egg layers already. So you'll catch up and then we'll get a bunch of blue and green eggs and it'll be great. Till then, have a great one. So that was a great video today. big surprise actually, me going up, and it's like we're gonna get more chickens. So we went and got more chickens, and yeah, we're supposed to get 6 Witten Blues, and that's it. But we ended up getting 6 Witten Blues. She threw in another Witten Blue. We got 2 Easter eggers, which are green laying eggs, the darker green, and we ended up grabbing up a Cochin Rooster, big white fluffy thing. Look them up; they're great. And if you want chickens, I recommend Roslin Poultry Ranch up in Roslin, Ontario. We've been there a few times. She's a great, awesome lady. She knows so much. And yeah, she can help you with your needs. She's got a website. Contact her there. Now we're going to see if these chickens are enjoying their new home. They won't be laying for a couple months, but we do have her in here away from we have them in here away from all the other chickens. We got them barned up there. That door's shut, and that's netted with chicken wire, so they can't get through that hole. Please subscribe and follow us and like us and do what you got to do to let us know you enjoy this channel. Comment. I love hearing comments. It's great. You got some ideas for me? Great. Till then, welcome my new chickens. Welcome to Farm Life on Grumbles
Chicken soup
Homestead.
with Grumbles.
All you chickens,
What an awesome
you are now
meal.
part of the family.
Chicken soup with Grumbles.